Viewers, 71% of our world is ocean, and only 29% of it is land. It means as many secrets are hidden in the depths of the sea, there are not so many in the earth. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the most mysterious things found in the ocean. Ancient skull. Viewers, a while ago, divers were diving on a coast of Mexico. They saw a dead body. It was a person's bones, and it looked like it had died recently, because those bones were well preserved. Divers tried to bring it to the surface, but because of the depth, they could only bring out its skull. Surprisingly, when the research was done, it was found that the skull was 12,000 to 13,000 years old. Actually, these bones belonged to a 16-year-old girl. Researchers believe that when she died, the sea was not present at that time. In fact, this place was a dry mountain. As time passed, the sea level rose here, and this body came into the water. Anyway, whatever it is one of the oldest bodies found from the sea to date. Ancient temple. Viewers, there are many mysterious things found in the ocean depths that divers are unable to explain even after many years. These things include mostly old ships and treasures. Among such mysterious things, there is also an Egyptian city called Herculaneum, which was discovered by a French underwater archaeologist in 1999. In 2018, a group of divers started researching this city, and they made another discovery. These divers found a temple remains in this city. This city is about 1,200 years old. Actually, the earthquake came here, which caused the city to sink due to high water levels. This city was the main international trading port of Egypt. A huge statue was also found in this temple, which is almost 2,000 years old. Here, not only different statues were found, but also some coins were found in this ancient city, which were very old and rare. Surprisingly, this whole city was submerged in water and no one found it for centuries. It is really unbelievable that this ancient city has not been found for less than a miracle after almost 1,200 years. Elongated skulls. Viewers, there are many mysterious things found in the ocean depths that scientists are unable to explain even after many years. Although many mountains are found underwater, but very unusual things were discovered in an underwater mountain found in Mexico. In 2012, some divers were exploring the sea and found unusual human skulls and burnt bones there. After this unique discovery, ocean archaeologists started further research on this place. When they investigated it, they found that these human skulls were elongated themselves, and then these people were sacrificed and thrown into these chambers. No one knows how these skulls were made. These skulls and bones are really very mysterious. Spanish treasure. Scuba divers often go deep into the sea for some research. They often find unusual things there. If we talk about treasures, there are endless treasures in the depths of the sea, which have been found in sunken ships for centuries. In 2015, a group of professional divers was searching on this coast of Florida. They found out from their metal detector that there is something of metal in the deep water. When they went down and they saw different coins there. These divers found 52 gold coins and 110 silver coins there, which were absolutely antique. The interesting thing is that they also found a gold chain from there. Its length was about 40 feet. Surprisingly, all this treasure was only 15 feet deep. According to researchers, this treasure is 500 years old, and despite being only 15 feet deep, no one has found it for centuries. Its price was about $1 million. It was really one of the world's luckiest underwater discoveries. Underwater river. Viewers, rivers are found in different regions of the world, and they are mostly used for agriculture. Normally, rivers go from mountains to plains, and their water is sweet. This water is also used for drinking. You must have seen many rivers, but you must not have heard about underwater rivers before this. A few years ago, a group of scuba divers went deep into the sea on a Mexican coast. They saw a strange layer there. There was sweet water under this layer. This sweet water was looking like a river from where it was passing. Surprisingly, there were broken trees in this river. It seems impossible to hear that there is a river in the sea, but it is absolutely real. According to scientists, such rivers are called haloclanes in the sea, and they are very rare. Such rivers are mostly near sea caves or are present in them. Naturally, this sweet water is not mixed with salty water due to a layer. This natural phenomenon is really very rare. Brinkles. Viewers, there are many things in the depths of the sea about which humans have no information, and there are some things that divers have discovered. But no one has been able to solve their mystery yet. Scientists are always curious about such mysterious and unusual things, and keep trying to solve them. One of such amazing mysteries is Brinkles, which is also called the ice fingers of dead. This is the mysterious ice that forms in the sea. It naturally forms in the depth of the sea. When it comes into existence, it also freezes all the fish present on it after touching the surface. This is a very dangerous thing for sea creatures. This ice keeps moving forward along the sea and kills every sea animal that comes in its way. This is a mysterious natural phenomenon, and no one knows the purpose of its formation.